Hi buddies, good morning. Today we will design some different Turing machines like WWR, WW reverse, or like W has W, where W can be the combination of 0 and 1, or can be the combination of A and B. So today we will discuss some different types of Turing machines that can be designed or constructed on the basis of that. So just in the previous lecture, as we covered the Turing machine, or we designed the Turing machine for WWR. So in this case, just you see here, the point is here, this is the W, means W can be any combination of A and B. So if anyone asks you, just design a Turing machine for WW reverse, where W belongs to 0, 1. So it is the same kind of problem, and the same type of question can be solved. Just in place of A, just put the value 0, and in place of B, just put the value 1. So that will be the same machine, right? So in this case, there is one thing, that if W is suppose AB, then W reverse must be BA. So we got an idea that if we start with A, that means at last we will find A. Is it clear? If we start with B, then definitely we will find B at the last, because it is the reverse. So the same problem can also be asked, that just construct the Turing machine for palindrome. So this is the machine that we have already covered, we have already constructed in the previous lecture. Today, I am going to discuss one more important machine construction for the language L is equals to W has W, where W is what? W is the W belongs to A comma B asterisk. That means any combination of A and B. So first, before going to start a Turing machine for this W has W, just we should start with the strings. Which type of strings can be allowed in this case? So just see here, W has W means if suppose W is suppose ABA, right? So that means ABA is W, then the string in this format, that is ABA hash ABA. This type of string must be accepted by the design machine, right? W has W, because this is W and again this is W. These two things are same. But in the previous machine, here is the W, here was the W, and here was the W reverse. But here there is no W reverse, means W is start at the starting place and W as the ending place. But between these two W, there will be separator that is represented by the hash, right? And after ending this, you will find the blank symbol as usual as the construction of Turing machine. Clear? So now one more possible string, or one more possible type of string, maybe, that is suppose BAA. That means on the and the there after hash you will find here BAA. Clear? So how can we develop, how can we construct the Turing machine? What will be the logic behind this? So just see here, just we can try here. Suppose first sign is B, right? And B blank out. Yeah, X cross kar diya aapne. In that case, after that, no need to change any other symbol until you will find the hash sign. After hash sign, it is you are ensured that there will be another W, right? So in that case, just first symbol should be blanked or cancel out, right? And move towards the left side. Again, the same, move towards the left side without changing any input number until you will find X. As soon as you find X, just move towards the right side. And the same process is there. If A is there, then just cross it, and don't need to change any other symbol, and move towards the right until you find the you reach to the X. After X, there is A, then just cross it and move towards the left. So the same type of problem if this one is this one, X, and then this one is X. So in this situation, directly on X, you will find this separator. That means this is completely traverse, and on after that hash, you will find X. That means all the right hand side of hash, all the symbols or the strings are traverse. And then you find here the blank sign. That means you are at the end of the string. That means you should reach to the final string. So this may be the one solution that can help you to construct the Turing machine for the language L is equals to W hash W. So just see the construction part for this particular machine. So just see here, in this case situation, you are in the state Q0 because Q0 is the initial state. On after reading A, just as I already told you, suppose AB has AB. This is the string, right? Now you have to execute this string. So just see here, step by step manner. So in this situation, just see A is there. So just convert it into X and move towards the right direction. Now state is Q1. On Q1, as I already told you at the time of explaining the logic, no need to change on A or V, right? Until you find the hash sign. So hash sign will indicate you that you have completed the first step. That is first W, right? So see here, there is B. So no need to change any state. You remains on Q1. And now no need to write anything on the tape. Just on the tape, there will be B. Clear? Now, just see here, hash sign is there, or you are in state Q1. So just see this transition. Hash is hash, just move towards the right. So now you reach to the Q2 state, and now your head will read symbol A. Clear? So now Q2 to A, just the logic is just convert it into X and move towards the left direction, as I already told you. And now your state is Q3. Clear? So on Q3, definitely you will find the hash sign because at the moving towards the left direction, you will find the hash sign. So we don't require to convert this hash sign into any other symbol. So just read a hash sign, write hash sign, and move towards the left. So see here, this is the transition. Now you are in the state Q7. And then you will find A and V, whatever. So no need to change anything, but you should move towards the left side continuously. So in case of B, just see here, B read, B write, and move towards the left direction, right? Until you find this X. So just see here, if you read X, write X, and just change the direction of head that towards the right direction and reach to the initial state again, that is Q. So now there may be two possibilities that you can start with A or you can start with B. So if you start with A, that means this path should be followed. If you start with B, then this path should be followed. So in this situation, just similar to the first path, similar to the previous one, just see here. Now you are in the state Q0 again, and you are reading B. So just see the B is converted to X and move towards the right. So this B is converted to X, move towards the right side. Okay, and state Q4. Just here you will find hash sign. So after reading hash, just write hash and move towards the right side on Q5. Clear? And now it is important part that I want to discuss with you. On the right hand side, now you will find this X that is that is written by you in the previous round, right? So this after reading this X, we don't require to do anything. So just X is read, X is write, and movement is right. And as soon as you find this B here, that means just this B should be converted into X and move towards the left, similar to the previous step. So just move towards the left. At the left, you will find X or hash sign here. So if you find hash sign, that means X is there. That means no need to change anything. If you find hash sign, that means hash is read, hash should be right, and then move towards the left. Clear? So now we should move towards the left side until we will find the X. So in this point, your head will move towards the right because it is defined that X is read, X is write, and direction of head should be right. And now your state should be Q0. So on Q0 here, you can find directly hash sign. It is important point. Just you should focus here. So in this hash sign means your W component is completed. Now you are on the separator, right? So just if you are in separator, then you should check whether all symbols are converted to X or not. So just if X is there, just write X and move towards the right. And on right, if you find blank symbol here, that means we have covered or we have converted all the symbols, all the input symbols into X. Now that means this is the W is similar as a W. So that means if a blank is there, then write the blank and movement of the head should be right, and now reach to the halting state. So this is the construction of Turing machine that will accept the language L is equals to W hash W, where W belongs to AB whole hash. So on the basis of this, this is the designed machine, and the designed machine can work to any language. Means if in place of W, if you write AB, 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 then this machine will work properly, efficient. So this is the construction for WCW reverse. Clear? So now you can design various Turing machines on this basis. Thank you. Thank you.